Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the 2929 Weslayan. It's the 2929 Weslayan, and I'm looking over and we've just walked through the two bedroom, the living room and the kitchen. Now we're gonna go into the bedroom and bath. So let's do that right now. There's two of them. Let's take a peek. So first of all, there's a washer dryer area. Love that. This is the master. The master's so masterful. It's really pretty. That's a king bed. Actually, yeah, it is a king bed. And the space in here is so great. It feels so expansive. You're going to fit any furniture you want. And I love the floor to ceiling windows that are there too. When I walk into the bathroom's adorable. It's got these two sinks in here, so dual sink. It's got a really big space in here and a huge tub. Also, it's got a nice closet. Oh, really good sized closet. You walk in and it's got good storage in here. So that's bedroom number one. We walk over here and then, oh, love that view over there, by the way. We walk in, this is the guest. So we start with going through the bedroom. The bedroom, this is more of a, I guess, a queenish maybe bed. And it's also got the floor to ceiling windows in here too. Looks very nice. And it's got a pretty good space. The other one's a little bit bigger, so just take note. And then here is the bathroom itself. The bathroom's really pretty. It's got a great feel in here too. That's a really, oh gosh, that's a really nice, I think it's a granite. It's got two mirrors in here. And then this closes off too, so you can have, you can just make it this when guests come over, you can close this off so they're not looking into the bedroom. This has a full walk-in shower. Love seeing that. And then this is the closet. So beautiful feel in here. It's really delightful. I love the feel a lot. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing or you're ready to take a tour, that's what I would do. I actually do a Zoom live tour or FaceTime live tour. We can set that up for you right now. We can set it up as early as 2 hours from now. So why not take a free Zoom or FaceTime tour today? That's what I would do. Send me a text. Use that number below and request that right now. I'll make that happen for you.